A fan spent 60,000 yuan to restore and refurbish a 12th generation Toyota Crown. A young owner born in the 2000s used the money his father gave him to buy an electric car to restore this old car, bringing the engine chassis exterior and interior back to like new condition. After seeing the finished car, the owner's father was full of praise. Next, let's show the entire restoration process. After stripping it completely, it will be sent for refurbishment with a 1-to-1 replica of the new car interior. Now we are assembling this V6 engine. They say it needs to be assembled at -20 degrees. Now we are assembling it according to the original factory specifications. How much of the new car condition can we restore? Next, we will fully prepare the chassis and deal with some chassis issues. After cleaning, replace the new rubber bushings to restore the driving feel of a new car. Then install KYB Blue Label to further improve the driving feel and enhance comfort and sportiness. Before installing the chassis components, clean the chassis thoroughly. Apply chassis undercoating to improve the chassis corrosion resistance and sealing. Do you think this refurbishment is worth it? Easily solve the problems of chassis noise and discomfort. Mix the BASF matte paint according to the proper ratio. First, spray the epoxy primer. Next, spray the color paint. Then spray the clear coat to improve the paint gloss and scratch resistance. The body panels also need to be repainted. The one-to-one replica of the original car interior is finished. Now let's install it all. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, let's take a look at the overall effect.